was built to last. When the webs are weaving, I could change the past. With all I'm achieving, got my foot on the gas. Never stop competing. If you break like glass, then this life's gonna end.
So the tech community is strange when it comes down to smartphones. If it's not Apple or Samsung, you already lost. So when OnePlus released the OnePlus 10 Pro, people had pitchforks and shovels already out for the device before it even reached the mass consumer's hands. Well, I've been using the OnePlus 10 Pro for about 24 hours. I just got it. And there's some good and bad things that I want to talk about in this video. Let me explain. Sit back and relax and get your popcorn ready and follow me on this journey. Let's go. What's up, guys? This is Eric back with another video. So you see the trend, right? The Pixel 6, the Pixel 6 Pro got slammed in the tech community. Look, they had some issues with it, but it did get slammed in the tech community. The Motorola Edge Plus that just got released also gets slammed in the tech community. So it's no surprise that the OnePlus 10 Pro is getting a short end of the stick in the tech community. So why is that? Why is that? Well, let's talk about the OnePlus 10 Pro. And the first thing I want to talk about is the price. Look, I bought the OnePlus 9 Pro last year for a staggering $1,100 plus. And to me, that was insanely expensive. Well, the OnePlus 10 Pro is coming out only at $899, which is a $200 plus difference savings from its predecessor. So in 2021 and 2022, we've seen a decrease in features. Most flagships like the Galaxy S22 Ultra has a base storage of 128 gigs, no SD card support, 8 gigs of RAM at a staggering $1,200. Look, don't get me wrong, it's a lot more to that device than the OnePlus 10 Pro, but still $1,200 for that device. So when OnePlus dropped a device for 128 gigs of storage and 8 gigs of RAM at $900, a lot of people again pulled out the pitchforks and shovels. And why? Why is that? Well, let's go and talk more about the OnePlus 10 Pro. It has a beautiful 6.7-inch 1440p 120 hertz of goodness with good deep blacks and vivid colors. The display on here is really good. It also have all the power you need with the 8 Gen 1 processor and a nice beefy 5,000 milliamp battery. Now the OnePlus 10 Pro is running Android 12 with Oxygen OS 12.1. So this device is fully updated and good to go here. No problem with performance, but let's talk a little bit about performance here, right? And all I can say is that OnePlus has been a king of speed and performance like forever, right? I got all these OnePlus devices and more. Never had any slowdowns, never had any hiccups and stuff like that. But so far, it's only been 24 hours that I've been having the OnePlus 10 Pro. And I'm confident that I probably won't have any performance issues out of the device because going all the way back to the OnePlus 3, OnePlus 2, I never had performance issues out of no OnePlus devices. So I think performance is going to be great on the OnePlus 10 Pro. So let's talk about the design of the OnePlus 10 Pro. It's a unique device, right? Some things I like, some things I don't like, right? It definitely feels different, right? On the back, you got this smooth glass feel here, very slippery, and you got the camera rays in the back, right? In the front, you got your hole punch camera right here, right? And you know what? The OnePlus 10 Pro got very thin bezels because it's a curved display. Whether or not you like it or not, it's up to you. Some things got to grow on me, right? Don't get me wrong. I'm not a fan of how the back camera rays look on this device. Something that it has to grow on me. But overall, the feel of this device is really good. Kind of light to my surprise, but it does feel solid. And I really do like the front display here on the OnePlus 10 Pro. So overall, I give the design about a 7 out of 10. And the reason why is because the back plate here, it has to grow on me because right now I'm not a fan. As we talking about the back plate, let's talk about these cameras here. We got a triple camera setup here. What is a 50 megapixel, 48 megapixel, and an 8 megapixel, right? And in the front, you got a 32 megapixel camera here. So my first impressions with the cameras is really good, right? Look, don't get me wrong, I'm gonna have a bunch of videos detailing the camera arrays on the OnePlus 10 Pro. But overall, it's been a solid camera array. As you can see, I put it against the Galaxy S22 Ultra. And to me, it's, pretty much on par with it. You be the judge for yourself. But I do have detailed videos coming out with these cameras on the OnePlus 10 Pro. So stay tuned. I got more to come. So here's my conclusion. My first 24 hours and my impressions of the OnePlus 10 Pro overall, with the lower price compared to last year's OnePlus 9 Pro, is a good offering at this point, right? I got to dig a little deeper with software, cameras, and battery so I could give you guys my thoughts as far as how this device will be in the long run. I can't give you a review after having this device for only 24 hours. Look, taking it out the box, thank God that OnePlus give you a power brick in a box. That's something that a lot of flagship companies are not giving you. So we got a power brick in a box, which is great. Can't talk about battery life right now. Got to give me a little more time. But I will go deep in depth about the OnePlus 10 Pro. So stay tuned and subscribe. Overall, this device feels good in the hand. It's a solid piece of tech that I really do like. Again, I'm not a fan of the design, but I believe that it's going to grow on me. But I got a lot of videos coming out for the OnePlus 10 Pro, so stay tuned. This is Eric the Tech Preacher from Easy Computer Solutions. Leave your comments down below. Let me know what you think about the OnePlus 10 Pro in all its glory. See you guys on the next video. Peace.